bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on the screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no
Shapa phethu kunjani cameraman thini mfocus wela mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
baba.
Skutya baba.
On today's episode bafethu we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs and they are playing down le Richards Bay. They are playing against the Natal Rich Boys, which is the Richards Bay. We all know they're coming from a heavy defeat from their rivals, which is Orlando Pirates. Manje uyangixaka lo bhuti kuhleka yena kuqala. Yeah, but and we know what I think they've gone 6 games without a win in all competitions.
Yeah.
So it's most likely a similar thing when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs because it's 3 games in a row.
Yeah.
In all competitions
Yeah.
now. Bonaga, straight losses. At least these ones, in their previous game, they played a draw against the Obit. But let's look into this game. Let's start from coaches, the Kaizer Chiefs. Mas natural analyzer just a little bit on the game your previous.
Yeah.
What do you make of them? Just briefly, because we are not focused on that.
Yeah.
We are looking to the one that is coming.
No, I think if you've been following us, you've been following Football Fusion. I've been consistent about what I was saying. Kaizer Chiefs need coach, a proper coach. And I didn't say it before the game of Orlando Pirates or after. I've always said it from day one. The reason why I'm saying it even up until today, it can't be what you're playing 17 games, you still don't have the starting lineup. What are you building? Every day, every game, you're playing something different. Go to our previous video, you will hear me saying, don't be shocked to Mobona Upulo Modi back on the starting level, Mabono Mikel back on the starting level. Why? While they were not playing the past 3 games, what's happening? Why are they back? What did you see that we don't see? I wanted him, but it's wrong. You're going to next game, Tuesday. We're playing Tuesday.
Yeah.
It could happen one ball.
Yeah, I didn't have a good game.
Yes. Exactly. If a player doesn't have a good game, what do you do?
But I'm going to analyze our coach because their mind
Currently,
until Kaizer Chiefs announces that they part
I
ways.
think it is the little I say about the coaches the better. Because what I can tell you, we don't have coaches. We have nothing. There's no coaching happening at Kaizer Chiefs. You get it? So what I can tell you, now we need players to at least try to raise their hands and play for the badge. Because with the coaches, we have no coaches. No coaching is happening at Kaizer Chiefs. You can see which Chislett, they've been saying is injured, but you can see that's a baller. That's a football player there. Can't be good. It was like game number 16 or something. All along, where was this guy? Is a good player. Where was coaching happening? No coaching at Kaizer Chiefs. So it's the little I say about these coaches, the better. We need players to raise their hands. Even though these players, the same players that are filled by these coaches, because maybe they are favorites to these coaches, they think they are doing good. They are doing focal for the team.
As you're making my conversation even small. It's just getting smaller and smaller, but we'll try.
No, that's past. That's based on the past game. There's nothing to do with Richards Bay. Let's go.
I think they failed to analyze the Pirates more than anything. For me, they just failed because I heard him talking about Wuti. They already knew Wuti. The Pirates some corners but they were hurt by
those short corners,
and they were nullified in their best midfield that we know. In fact, that we recently saw it can yield results for them. But nullified it's even worse because in the previous game I analyzed Makaula and I told you Makaula less and less is making those errors. I'm not bashing him in that game, but I'm just telling you what the only thing I was assistant IoT was lucky. It was good day, but Umbata made a lot of difference.
Yeah.
In that midfield.
One man show.
Exactly. And another thing, ebahlulile your midfield is the fact that we were playing two double number 10. We were playing double number 10, and it just didn't work for the coach. The coaches didn't. I don't know whether they didn't anticipate it, but it's normally how we play, where we push the wingers. Ama wing backs, your Hotos, and or in that game Musbelebel, Bona back to Nabeham. But clearly, you can't come in South Africa as a
Translate
a translator and
then
you
you
let the
become the
job.
coach. In the biggest team.
Yeah, man.
Can be. So, like I've been always telling you, these players, these coaches, they don't have option B.
Yeah.
You can't come back second half, you're losing 2-0. Like, what are you thinking? And I've always said the same thing previous game. In the previous game again, Stellenbosch was the same thing. Schumacher, the same thing. The only thing they are telling us, they're apologizing. Week in, week out, you're apologizing. Even in a relationship, you can't be apologizing
Yeah,
every
but
week.
let's look at the positives, because we are looking at having a new game that you will play, and if you win that game, your morale will be a little bit positive. So I want us to look at that game, not
Yeah.
to dwell on the frustration. I understand the frustration, but in this game, because I can tell you, it's one game that you can just put in the dustbin and forget about it.
Yeah.
Move on to this new game right now with whatever issues you have, which you have already raised about the coaches. But we know very well what the Chiefs have in their arsenal. They've got a good first half. Ikuphi mhlambe abanga-improve khona to make sure ukuthi when they bakhathala, ngizobabiza kanjalo, bekhathala sebe already bayihethile Richards Bay at that time.
Yeah. Now, before I even answer your question, this game, akuyona game ezobalula futhi the way sicabanga ngayo.
Exactly.
One, okay, fine. Kaizer Chiefs is coming kuluza West 3. Richards Bay having won 6 games in games abawandlalile. They're taking this game by Yisapi in Richards Bay in a very small stadium. Because they know Kaizer Chiefs is big. Wherever you go, they're going. So the Buffalo frustrated Kaizer Chiefs there. Kaizer Chiefs go on with born ukuthi ayikho on form. There's nothing positive, meaning nothing ngakutshela Kaizer Chiefs right now. But hence I'm saying so ding abadlali to raise their hands. It's not a matter of what uzofaka abantu once again. We don't even know what's starting line up. But I can't predict who's going to play who Kaizer Chiefs against Richards Bay.
Moving on to Richards Bay, where do you see Richards Bay heading Kaizer Chiefs? Given ukuthi nabo they are struggling kahle kahle.
But angithi mabuki position Richards Bay. I think they're sitting on number 12, right? So yabona if very kuzoba interesting each and every game so ibuye like PSL at this stage, because those teams that are below, they're trying to collect points as much and fast as they can. Playing with Kaizer Chiefs, they're struggling now, but struggling. They have nothing to lose. It's to go all out. Kaizer Chiefs is full of mistakes. You don't have a goalkeeper that you've been playing all along. Your back, my back four, you've always talked about it. I don't have a solid back four.
No. Let's stick to Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs sekubonile ukuthi ngeke uzoyi-analyze. That's why let's stick to Richards Bay, not Kaizer Chiefs.
No, but the Richards Bay is a pity because it's hard to watch my game Richards Bay unless they're playing these big teams.
Yeah.
You know, and if you are looking at it, we're looking at stats. We're not even looking at the games. We're saying they've lost 6 games. They didn't win any. So it's hard to analyze them. But obviously, I mean, looking at their position and playing a big team, they are already motivated. A team that is struggling like Kaizer Chiefs. So obvious, we will lose game like Stellenbosch, how we lost. You can play. You're talking about Chiefs playing the first few minutes or first half, trying to. But there's nothing dangerous in Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs will only hold the ball, even a position, but nothing is gonna come from that. The final product is not there. It's not happening.
Perfect. Let us know in the comments this game. Yeah, about this guy head. I will call him head because move away
because
from the Chiefs.
I see us stealing it.
No. You can't. You don't ooze confidence in what you are saying right now.
No, but it's reality.
Make sure that you subscribe you like the video, you share the video with friends. Yeah. Another thing, tell us on the comments.
What's your take, Bafowethu?
So what's your take? Let's talk about
For
Kaizer
me,
Chiefs. Because ngiyabona ukuthi conversation vele
I-
enkulu is about the Chiefs. I have not the game that they play, but them and their internal issues.
winning.
Yeah. Bafowethu, we'll see you on another one.